na locally manufactured. So we have to give protectionism to them. At the same time, in reverse, they have to open their market to the world or to Asia. So yun ang aking first 100-day na spearhead ko.
Okay. So, do you have any idea or do you have any prepared law to be filed in Congress upon winning the election?
Yeah, we have 10 bills that we want to pass in the Congress.
Yeah.
No? And we are technically putting it in the right perspective of the legality of the position paper. So basically it's targeted to improve the, like for example in Iligan City, the National Steel was sold to a Malaysian group, then they sold and cut it into pieces, and then now we're not even competitive in the China market that they built. A lot of infrastructure in steel was imported from different countries.
And not only that, no, dito sa aral nyo, may kasama rin kayong group of license recruitment agency, right?
Exactly.
Maraming kasalbahihan ng Philippine Overseas Employment Administration, ang Department of Labor, at kakulangan ng OWA para mapangalagaan yung mga overseas Philippine workers. Not only that, to protect itong mga binigyan ng lisensya ngunit ginigipit no, ng pamalaan. Kasi ang sinasabi ko nga dito, Jing, the POEA was the one who gave license to the recruitment agencies. Then they are competing the license recruitment agency by entering into government-to-government deployment. Imagine that. So, sana yung tinatahak ng inyong party ay mapagbuti nyo ang pagtakbo. Yeah.
Tama.
Pero Jing, as a businessman, bakit anong nagtulak sa'yo? Ikaw yung first Filipino na running for State Assembly in Nevada. Ano nagtulak sa'yo para subuong din yan?
Well, sa totoo lang, hindi Filipino ang nag-push sa akin para i-representa ang Asian American community kung hindi Chinese.
Okay.
Ako naman, kaya ako nandito para suportahan si Tom.
Yeah.
Dahil si Tom, matagal ko nang kilala. And alam ko, dahilan sa ang kanyang takot sa Diyos, tama-tama yung party, ARAL, Association of Righteousness Advocacy.
Yeah.
Kami, nagsama rin kami sa advocating yung paniniwala sa Diyos, ika nga. Bilang pareho kaming negosyante, ako naman ay natutuwa at napili siya ng ARAL na sumali sa isang asosasyon na tingin kong kailangan ng ating kapwa Pilipino. Dahil panahon na ngayon, ang isang businessman na may nalalaman sa kung paano ipaunlad ang bayan at mabigyan ng trabaho lahat ng mga nangangailangan ng trabaho, na hindi isang politiko na, kasi people are tired of politics as usual.
Yes.
Panahon na meron tayong isang negosyante na sumali dito sa isang katulad to sa eleksyon na maiboto natin.
Okay, so Tom, gahol lang tayo sa oras. At gusto ko nasa yung pagkakataon para magbigay ng last parting word sa ating mga manonood at nalalapit na ang Mayo Gis. It's our turn.
Well, I hope everyone would recognize ARAL party list number 102 on election. We're not leftists or rightists. We're the right choice. So, I hope you remember us on May 10.
Yeah, thank you so much, Tom. Ito ang ating ito ang double fiber. At Mr.
Masarap pala dito, may regalo.
Meron. Pampaliit ng tiyan.
Okay.
Bueno, gawin lang po tayo sa oras. Ako po ang inyong kaibigan, Willie Espiritu. Nagpapasalamat po sa aking kausuutan. Siyempre, ang Onesimus, Walter Bread, Mr. Walter Coy, and Ma'am Shea. And of course, Hero, Tiger, and Pipito. Sa inyo po lahat, sa darating na Biyernes, magbibigay na ako ng aking mga pipiliing kandidato from President to local candidates. Kaya antabayanan ninyo. Yung mga inimbita ko na tumanggip, problema ninyo yan, hindi ko problema yan. Binigyan na namin kayo ng pagkakataon. Sa mga nagpaunlak sa aming mga imbitasyon, maraming salamat. Sana po sa susunod na pagkikita natin, nakatulong po ang palatuntunan Get Straight. Sa inyo pong lahat, bukas, Sabado, magpapahinga tayo, konting trabaho pa, and sa Sunday, ibigay natin ang ating kalooban sa Poong May Kapal. Ako po ang inyong kaibigan, Willie Espiritu ng Get Straight na nagsasabing, patnubayan po tayo ng Poong May Kapal. Thank you.
The fulsome insight in life and society on watching UNTV's afternoon infotainment from Mondays through Fridays at 4:30 to 5. Get acquainted to the known and unknown personalities by the program that highlights their lives and significant contributions in society in Spotlight. Mondays, hosted by Kuya Daniel Razon and Miss Ida Gonzalez. Learn the know-hows and the basics of fixing and repairing damaged goods in Easy Lang Yan. Tuesdays, hosted by our newest kasangbahay, Eagle. Feel the real catch of the story within a story as Dave Dirao takes you up close to the dramas in real life in Historia every Wednesday. Free mas
Radyo na branch ito ng DCRH.
Okay.
Well, ang policy namin